Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create group emails in Gmail, how to create your mailing list in Gmail. So guys, once you create email list or mailing list, you can send easily mails to all at once. So I'm showing you on my desktop, but if you have using Android phone or iPhone, then you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comment below. Guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe me. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Gmail account. Okay, Gmail account, and in this Gmail account, I'm going to show you how you can create the email group. Okay. So just click on this three dot. First, you have to log in your Gmail. Then click on this dot option and go to the contacts. And in order to create email groups, here you have contacts, and here you have to create labels. So labels and folder or group is same in Gmail. So first create labels. So I just create label like groups email test. Okay, and save it. So you can see the folder has been created. Now go to the contacts and select you know contacts that you want to add on this list. Okay, email list. Just select a list, and now you have to bring this go to the label, and we just created this label. Just click on it and apply it. It will be applied. Now come to the Gmail, just refresh it, compose the mail, and here if you enter your group mail or label name, that all list will be come here into or CCC where whenever you want. Okay, if it is not comes by default, just click on this CC22 or BCC, and the window will be open. Now you have to click on this and select the label name, and select all emails from labels and just insert it. Okay, so that is how you can create email groups in Gmail. I hope you like this video. Thank you for